Hi, this is a quick demo about user login and registration using Ktor backend and Android frontend. They both use Kotlin programming language to write the code. It's all about 5 endpoints: register, login, update, delete, and get. So let's get started. Imagine you're the first time using this app. Of course, the first screen will be the login. And if you don't have any accounts yet, you will, of course, click on this register now link, and it will navigate to the register screen. So in here, for example, type in Sam and the password 1234, but I guess it's been taken. Yeah, if the username has been used, the backend will return an error message telling the user that the username has been taken. So let me add 1, 2, 3 after that. Should be okay this time. Yeah. So what just happened was we sent the user name and the password to the register endpoint to the server, and if it's not being used, then the database will insert the information and then we'll return the result. And then the Android will send the login request with the username and password to the server. But this time the server will generate the token, aka JWT, JSON Web Token. Return the token to the Android, the client. And lastly, we use the token to get the user information. And then the app will navigate the user to this home screen. Okay, so we just talk about the insert, which is happening within the register endpoint. Register, login, and get. So next, here we have a Me button. It will navigate to the Me page, and here we are sending the get request to the server, and the server will return the information about this user. We have ID, username, password, and creation time. Of course, those information will not be shown on the actual app. In here, it's just for the demo purposes. So let's try the update. We see we have a change password button here, and in here we can say, oh, by the way, for now the last 4 characters of the password is N1UI, right? So let me change the password to ABCD. Okay, and after we click confirm, it will send the request to the update endpoint. Okay, if it's successful, it will return the user info updated message, and you see this time the password has been changed successfully. So that's about the endpoint of update. Next, let's try the delete. So after we click on the delete account, the backend will delete this user from the database, and then the result will send back to the Android client, and the Android app will delete the token and the user info, and then go back to the login screen. Okay, let's try that. Delete account, user deleted, and we go back to the login screen. So this time, if we try to log in again, 723 ABCD, right? This time it will show invalid username or password because it's been deleted already. Right, okay, so let's register again. 7, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we just went through the register, login, delete, update, and get, right? I want to show you the logout. So it's just simply delete the token from your local storage and also clear all the user information and then go back to the login screen. So logout, right? Okay. Oh, lastly, I want to show you one more thing, one more detail, which is, let's say if we already logged in, let's see, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's say we have login and then we exit this app and clear the app from the background and we open the app again. We should see the home screen instead of the login screen, right? Yeah. That's by checking the token in your local storage. If the token is not empty, then it will navigate the user to the home screen instead of starting from the very beginning. But if you have logged out and try to close the app and open again, this time it will start from the very beginning, which is the login screen. Okay, yeah, that's it. There is one more error handling I want to show you, which is if we are in the home screen and somehow our account gets deleted by some reasons, and if we try to click on the Me to go to the Me page, it will get an error message and then navigate to the login screen. Let's try that. You see, user is not existed, please log in again. So that's the error handling for user not found situation.